It is the 19th of August 2026, and this is today's French A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWire, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about Rodri signing for Barcelona and returning to Spanish football after his time at Manchester City. First, here are 3 other stories from today's front page, and all of them can be read on linguawire.com.
First, Andy Burnham annonce un plan pour les sans-abri en Angleterre.
Andy Burnham announced a plan for homeless people in England. Sans-abri means homeless person. It is a useful noun because it often appears in the plural, even when it refers to people in general.
Next, le député de Floride, Corey Mills, fait l'objet d'une enquête.
Florida Congressman Corey Mills is the subject of an investigation. Fait l'objet de is a set phrase meaning is the subject of. It is a neat formal expression and headlines like to pack a lot into a small space.
And Meta au tribunal aux États-Unis sur Facebook et Instagram.
Meta is in court in the United States over Facebook and Instagram. Tribunal means court. The final nasal sound is important. It is not the same as English tribunal.
Now, time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. Rodri signe à Barcelone. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Rodri signe
Sign
à Barcelone.
for Barcelona.
The headline uses the present tense. Signe for a completed news event, which is very common in French headlines.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
Rodri a signé un contrat avec Barcelone.
Rodri signe da contract with Barcelona. A signé is the past tense with avoir. It tells us the signing happened and is now finished.
Il vient de Manchester City.
He comes from Manchester City.
Le club a payé environ 65 millions de livres.
The club paid about 65 million pounds, environ. Means about or roughly. It helps when the number is not exact. That is not small change, even for football.
Rodri retourne au football espagnol.
Rodri is returning to Spanish football.
Il a quitté Manchester City après 7 saisons.
He left Manchester City after 7 seasons.
Now for the verb of the day, finir. In English, that means to finish. Here it is in the present tense. Je finis. Tu finis. Il finit. Nous finissons. Vous finissez. Ils finissent. One last time, at full speed, Rodri signe à Barcelone. Now you. Before you go, one question from today's story. Où Rodri signe-t-il? Is it A à Barcelone, à Londres, or c'est à Paris?
Think about it. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode. a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.